using drone technology to get a better picture of the primary successional landscape at Mount St. Helens. Here at Mount St. Helens on the Pumice Plain, which was formed after the massive eruption in 1980 and a subsequent landslide, we have the unique opportunity to explore the development of stream systems starting from scratch. So these streams are they're about 39 years old now. We get to look at how they're moving, how they're shifting, channel formation. We're exploring biological colonization of streams, so algae and aquatic insects and riparian plants, all in this really crazy unique landscape of Mount St. Helens. The riparian vegetation, you can see, is sparse in some places. In other places, you see ribbons of green. And we get to do all of this work with a vast array of collaborators. The Geo Girls are a group of middle school girls, about 25 of them, who came to the Pumice Plain to learn about hydrology, stream ecology, and the geological history of Mount St. Helens. These streams flow from Mount St. Helens in the south directly north into Spirit Lake. Spirit Lake is a pristine lake that was devastated by the eruption of the mountain in 1980 and has been slowly recovering itself. Scientists from all over the country have been exploring the plant succession, stream development, and the lake colonization in Spirit Lake at Mount St. Helens. This research was sponsored by and funded by the National Science Foundation.